About this item, power line adapter provides up to 2000 mbps Ethernet over power, ideal to be Ethernet extender who can easily go over the walls as network adapters support home plug AV2, easy to add multiple adapters and works under 110 to 40V, the best power line networking kit. The wire cutter Gigabit port, give you full speed of your internet, transmission speeds, Ethernet 10/100/1000 mbps, range 300 meters. In-house power saving mode automatically reduces power consumption by up to 85%. Plug and play, no new wires and no configuration required, compatible with all AV2000, AV1300, AV1200, AV1000, AV600, AV500 and AV200 PowerPoint adapters, modulation technology, off-data encryption by 128-bit AES to make the network safe and private. Please note that power line adapters must be deployed in sets of 2 or more. Kindly reminder, power line adapters must be on the same electrical circuit for connectivity. Requires direct outlet plug-in. Does not work with surge protectors. Appliances and devices running on the same circuit may affect power line performance. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item, power line adapter provides up to 2000 mbps Ethernet over power, ideal to be Ethernet extender who can easily go